Stop losing access to your favorite shows because of an expired card. Today, I'll show you exactly how to update your Apple TV Plus payment and billing details using the new 2026 Apple account system. As of 2026, Apple has unified everything under the Apple account brand. Updating your billing here ensures all your services, from iCloud to TV Plus, stay active. Let's start directly on your Apple TV. Use your Siri remote to navigate to the Settings app. That's the silver gear icon on your home screen. Next, scroll down to Users and Accounts and select your primary profile. In the 2026 update, Apple has made multi-user billing more transparent. Once you're in your profile, click on Payment Information. This is where you'll see your current primary and backup cards. For security, tvOS 26 now uses universal control. A QR code will appear. Simply scan it with your iPhone to authorize changes using Face ID. If you're on the go, updating via your iPhone is even faster. Open the Settings app and tap your Apple account name at the very top. Select the payment and shipping. You'll be prompted for your passcode or Face ID to enter this secure zone. Here, you can tap an existing card to update the expiration date or billing address. To add a new card, tap Add Payment Method at the bottom. Pro tip, the order matters. Use the hamburger icon to drag your primary card to the top. Many users now prefer the Apple Card for 3% back. On a Mac or PC, open the Apple TV app, click your name in the sidebar and select Account Settings to reach the billing hub. Click Manage Payments next to your billing information. This opens a secure window where you can safely enter your card number or link PayPal. If your payment is declined, ensure your billing address matches your bank records exactly. In 2026, verification is stricter regarding zip code matching. Note, these steps apply to your own account and device only. If you need official help, contact Apple support at 833-389-2054. Avoid third-party recovery services. That is how you keep your Apple TV Plus subscription running smoothly. For more one-click guides to the 2026 tech landscape, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next one.